Discover tools that make plumbing and repair tasks effortless. Today, we're going over the best adjustable pipe wrench set from our top picks. Durability and a comfortable grip handling pipes of various sizes with ease. Upgrade your toolkit for reliable performance every time. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. DURATECH Pipe Wrench Set. The DURATECH Pipe Wrench Set stands out as a reliable option for both professionals and DIY users who want a balance between strength and comfort. One of its biggest advantages is its aluminum construction, which makes it nearly 40% lighter than traditional steel wrenches. This significantly reduces hand fatigue during extended use, especially for plumbing or mechanical jobs that require repetitive adjustments. Despite being lightweight, the tool does not compromise on durability, thanks to its drop-forged and heat-treated jaws that resist distortion and wear over time. Another notable feature is the non-stick knurled adjustment nut, which allows easy fine-tuning without jamming, even after heavy use. The ergonomic handle design enhances user comfort and prevents strain on the palm, making it ideal for long working sessions. With sizes ranging from 10 to 18 inches, this set covers a wide range of applications, from household plumbing repairs to professional maintenance work. Number 2. HORUSDY Pipe Wrench Set. The HORUSDY Pipe Wrench Set is a solid choice for users who prioritize durability and firm gripping power in their tools. Built with a high-strength, malleable cast iron handle and a heavy forged steel head, this wrench set is designed to withstand demanding tasks without compromising performance. The teeth are precisely machined and hardened to maintain sharpness over time, ensuring a secure grip on pipes without slipping or wearing down quickly. This makes it particularly useful for plumbing tasks involving smooth or round surfaces like pipes, shower heads, and fittings. The plastic-wrapped handle adds an extra layer of comfort. This set is versatile enough for various applications, including home maintenance, vehicle repairs, and general pipeline work. While slightly heavier than aluminum models, the added weight contributes to its sturdiness and durability. Overall, it's a dependable and practical option for users who need a tough, long-lasting pipe wrench set. Number 3. CRAFTZONE Pipe Wrench Set. The CRAFTZONE Pipe Wrench Set is designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, making it an excellent choice for users who value ease of use and versatility. One of its standout features is the automatic locking spring mechanism, which allows for quick, one-handed operation. This is particularly useful when working in tight or awkward spaces where using both hands can be difficult. The self-locking function ensures a firm grip on pipes, nuts, and fittings without constant readjustment, saving time and effort. The forged, double-threaded jaws provide strong anti-slip performance, helping maintain stability even under pressure. This reduces the chances of slippage and damage to work surfaces. The set includes 4 different sizes: 6, 8, 10, and 12 inches, making it suitable for a wide variety of tasks, from small household repairs to more demanding mechanical jobs. Its adjustable design adds flexibility, allowing users to tackle different pipe sizes with ease. Number 4. DISEN Pipe Wrench Set. The DISEN Pipe Wrench Set offers a well-rounded combination of strength, versatility, and smart design features that make it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Made from high-quality chromium vanadium steel, these wrenches are built to handle heavy-duty tasks while maintaining long-term durability and resistance to wear. One of its most useful features is the self-locking mechanism, which allows for true one-handed operation. This is particularly useful when working in confined or overhead spaces where stability is crucial. The serrated reinforced jaws provide a strong, non-slip grip even on oily or wet surfaces, ensuring secure handling without damaging the material.
The set includes multiple sizes with varying jaw capacities, making it adaptable for different applications, from small fittings to larger industrial pipes. Another unique addition is the multifunctional tail design, which can also be used for tightening nuts, adding extra value to the tool. The ergonomic construction further enhances user comfort during prolonged use.
Number 5. SEDY Pipe Wrench Set. The SEDY Pipe Wrench Set is a compact yet highly functional option that delivers dependable performance for a variety of tasks. Built with a premium chrome vanadium steel head, the set offers impressive durability and strength, ensuring it can withstand regular use without losing effectiveness. The heat-treated, drop-forged construction adds to its toughness, while the corrosion-resistant black oxide finish helps extend the tool's lifespan. One of its standout features is the laser-etched metric and SAE scales, which make adjustments quick and precise, especially for users who require accurate measurements during their work. The hex jaw design enhances gripping power and minimizes slippage, allowing for secure handling of fasteners and pipes. Additionally, the larger knurl makes adjustments smooth and effortless. Comfort is also a key focus, with cushioned handles that reduce hand fatigue and provide a secure grip during extended use. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and ideal for both home and professional toolkits. That wraps up the top 5 best adjustable pipe wrench set. Like, subscribe to the Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.